In astrology, Saturn is known as the teacher. While Jupiter may be likened to a child, playful and jovial, Saturn is its serious counterpart. Many people view Saturn in a negative light because it represents limitations, delays, unwelcome situations, and suffering. However, Saturn might feel this is unjust, as hardship, according to the principle of yin and yang, often conceals blessings within it. Ironically, it is because of Saturn that we come to recognize the true meaning of happiness. Real happiness and joy are not derived from ease and simplicity, but are the sweetness bestowed upon those who have overcome trials and tribulations. For instance, if Saturn is in the first house, it can make self-assurance challenging, potentially leading to a decrease in self-esteem. For some, finding themselves becomes a significant task. The placement of Saturn also represents the experiences we tend to avoid. If Saturn is associated with causes of decreased confidence, one might extremely avoid situations that bring this to the fore. Yet, through this process, one continues to question who they are, learning to face these challenges head-on, and eventually may find a calling in helping others with similar struggles. Saturn heard a prophecy that one of his children would overthrow him. Thus, Saturn devoured his children at birth, but one child was hidden by Saturn's wife and would indeed overthrow him. This child was Jupiter. Saturn brings structure to our lives and empowers us to materialize our imagination. Representing reality, Saturn focuses on what is necessary for living on this earth, thereby making us aware of societal limitations. Once aware of these limitations, a person is motivated to work towards realizing their ideals. While Jupiter indulges in endless ideation and play, Saturn symbolizes the necessity of being grounded in reality, such as sleeping or taking breaks, which are essential even for Jupiter to fulfill its purpose. Living on this earth requires the strength of Saturn, symbolizing maturity. Saturn is the last planet visible to the naked eye in our solar system, representing the limits of what we can see and symbolizing an end. A person under the influence of Saturn appreciates the aspects of life they can control. Therefore, Saturn embodies traditional values, respecting existing norms and understanding the importance of recognizing limits. This balances Jupiter's idealism. The responsibility and discipline associated with Saturn build reliable individuals who focus not on what they want to do, but on what they must do, thereby concentrating on their strengths in reality. Saturn's conservative nature, authority, and recognition also symbolize a traditional approach. Interpreting Saturn on a personal level can also reveal experiences with father figures. Saturn represents the fear of losing control. However, those who overcome this fear are often rewarded greatly.